Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. We are working with hip 36 divided by 4. That's 9 inches plus 1 inch for zip allowance, then the additional length, the length of your skirt. So take a look at it now. We have 10 inches because we are going to be taking away the arc. This 10 inches plus this length of the skirt, which is 27. So you will just fold it like this. You fold it in a triangular form like this. So this is how you fold. Then when you are done folding, we want to take away the arc. The arc is 10 inches. That's how we divided our hip. The hip is 36 divided by 4, 9 plus additional 1 inches. So this is it. I'm working with waist 27. So this is it plus the 1 inch. This is another method of cutting it. 1 inch for that. Then we'll go ahead and calculate the length of the skirt. The length of the skirt is 27. So you calculate it all round. So guys, this is what we have. So I've gone ahead to calculate the length. I've gone ahead to calculate the length of the skirt. This is it here. So we'll just cut it round. This is the down part of it. So we'll just go ahead and cut it out now. So I've gone ahead to cut it. So this is what we have. So you just open it out like this. Then we are going to be cutting the band for it. So remember that at the waist of the skirt is 27 plus additional 1 inch for zip allowance. So that's what we are going to be cutting now. So 27 divided by 28 now divided by 2 give us 14. So you just rule out 14. So guys, this is the band we are going to be using. So we'll just gum a stay to it so that it becomes very thick and it can relax well. So that's what we'll be doing now. So guys, we're going to gum our stay. So this is what we have here. So the next thing is to pin this band to your waist, the waist of the skirt. So we've gone ahead to sew. As you can see, we sewed just one side of it. So the next one we are going to bend it. But I will advise you to press this side down. Let me say just like this. You use your iron to press it down. Then when you are done, you pull it like this and sew. So but I'll bring it back to show you. You place it like this and sew it down. So at the front it will appear under the band here. So guys, I've gone ahead to pin it. So when I'm done sewing, it's going to appear in the front like this. So let me go and sew. So guys, I've gone to sew it. This is the inside and this is the outside. Just as I said, the stitching will appear under like this. So see it here. So the next thing you are going to do is to fix the zip. So we are going to fix our zip. So I'm just going to pin it down. Remember that we are using 1 inch for the zip. So I've pinned it. So I'll just go and sew like this. And this is the other part. We go and sew. So guys, I've gone ahead to fix the zip. See, this is what we have here. This is it here. So the next thing is to sew the hem. So this is it here. I just want to trim it so it becomes equal here. So you just open it. So you can just look for how to weave the side so it becomes very neat. You fold it like this. Not bigger than this place. If it's bigger, it becomes somehow, you won't be able to maintain it. But when you fold it like this, you make it small, then you sew it around. So that's what I'm going to do now. So guys, this is the base and this is what we have. So we are done with the skirt. This is what we have. It's just for you to press it down if it's. So we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Bye bye.